Om Amteshwara Namaha, Om Namah Shivaya. Today I Somdatta from class 8A. Today I will discuss on the topic how India has got its name India. The name India is derived from the river Indus. The valley ground which were the homes of the early settlers, the Aryas worshipped, referred to the river Indus as the Sindhu. The Persian invader converted it into Hindu. The name of the Hindustan combines Sindhu and Hindu, and thus referred to the land of Hindus. The name India is given by a Greek writer named Herodotus, who are from 15th century BCE. The term appeared in Old English as early in the 19th century and emerged in the modern English in 17th century. The name Bharat was selected as an alternative name for India in 1950. The name Bharat or Bharatvarsha is said to be derived from the name of the sun Dhritarashtra's son Bharat or Rishabh's son Bharat. Several Puranas state that it is derived from the name Bharat, the son of Rishabha. By the time the Persian conquered both the Indian subcontinent and the Greece in 15th century BCE, the Sindhu became Hindu to mark the land of Hindus. From the Greeks, Herodotus first revealed the name Indus in 14th century BCE. This name evolved to Indio, its first ever appearance in Old English. Finally, in 17th century, as Indus made way to modern English and it called to be India into its existence. Although the name was inspired from the Indus, the river now runs mostly through Pakistan, Jammu Kashmir, India and Western Tibet. Sometimes the Indian histories and the ancient Indian histories says that the Bharat's word means cherished. This name dates back to the ancient Hindu Puranas that tells about the legendary emperor whose also name is Bharat, who first conquered the whole Indian subcontinent and the Republic of India. As he was the first king of India and the empire of India, sometimes the historian says that from his name only the Bharat and Bharatvarsha name has been diverted. I have discussed much about how India get his name, Bharatvarsha as well as India. This is for today. Thank you. Om